शिल्पा शिंदे टीवी दुनिया की जानी मानी कलाकार है। अपनी दमदार एक्टिंग के अलावा शिल्पा काफ़ी सारी चीज़ों के लिए चर्चा में रही है। द एक्ट्रेस सीम्स टू बी controversy's favorite child. She has a flourishing career in teleworld, but she caught attention for all the wrong things, not just once but several times. Shilpa's life doesn't seem to be so easy with all the controversies she was involved in over the years. It's been fraught with accusations and allegations on work front. Not just that, Shilpa's personal life too hasn't been so rosy. तो चलिए देखते हैं एक कलाकार जिसकी बहुत बड़ी फैन फॉलोइंग है और जो काफ़ी टैलेंटेड है वो किस किस कंट्रोवर्सी में फंस चुकी है। Shilpa was supposed to make a comeback on television with Gangs of Filmistan, has now quit the show even before it could go on air. The actress leveled some serious charges against the producers, which included overstretching working hours, exploiting the artist, not giving her scripts, and flouting the new guidelines. She also accused the makers for lying her about everything, including Sunil Grover being a part of the show. Well, this incident reminds us of the time when Shilpa had quit Bhabhi Ji Ghar Par Hai. She played the role of Anguri Bhabhi and became a household name. Shilpa had left the sitcom in 2016 over a row with producers who she accused of mentally torturing her. She also called the producer of the show Benifer Kohli a tyrant and went ahead to charge Benifer's husband Sanjay Kohli of sexual harassment. The actress was also at loggerheads with Cinta and filed a defamation case against the producer, Cinta, and Indian Films and TV Producers Council. Before entering Bigg Boss house, she called the members of Cinta Mafia who ruined the careers of many actors of television and also giving her a hard time. Shilpa's love life too has been a major topic of discussion over the years. When Siddharth Shukla was in Bigg Boss 13, Shilpa accused him of being aggressive and also revealed that she was in a relationship with him. She also blamed the channel for favoring Siddharth Shukla and giving him the trophy of Bigg Boss 13. Apart from Siddharth Shukla, Shilpa's name was linked to popular TV actor Romit Raj, with whom she was about to get married in the year 2009. However, the couple parted ways before tying the knot. She had then stated that Romit was too calculative and dominating. One of the biggest controversies of Shilpa's life was with Vikas Gupta. This is known to all the Bigg Boss viewers. Shilpa and Vikas fought in the house, which grabbed a lot of attention. She had blamed Vikas for her ouster from Bhabhi Ji Ghar Par Hai. In fact, in one of the episodes, Shilpa apparently alleged that Vikas had made an MMS video with a Hindi porn artist who looked like her without makeup from a certain profile. The two were always lashing out at each other in the show. However, things became cordial between them as the game ended. Well, controversies don't seem to end in Shilpa's life. But what are your thoughts on this? Tell us in the comments. Also, stay tuned to Telechakkar for all the latest updates.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.